This machine is helping build the technology behind the AI boom, and Japan just announced a massive new bet on it. Kioxia and Sandisk plan to invest more than $31 billion in Japan through 2032, expanding memory chip production for an AI-driven world. But America isn't standing still. Micron has raised its planned U.S. investment to more than $250 billion through 2035, driven by demand for memory in the AI era. And this is the hidden part most people never see. AI isn't just software. Behind it are wafers, memory, advanced packaging, machines, and enormous factories. Why does memory matter? Because modern AI systems need enormous amounts of high-capacity, high-performance memory alongside powerful processors. Japan's new investment is tied to major facilities including Yokkaichi and Kitakami, expanding long-term flash memory production and technology. Japan is making a focused push into memory manufacturing. America is building across a much broader semiconductor and AI computing ecosystem. On these disclosed company investment plans, America's scale is much larger, but Japan's $31 billion commitment is a major focused expansion of memory production. So who is ahead? America leads on the disclosed investment scale, but Japan is making a major push into memory. The real question is, who will shape the next era of AI chips?